First, of course, I flew across the globe to attend, so that's super memorable. And secondly, I think for me, it's my first hackathon ever, and so to work with so many talented people in the same room is an incredible experience to, push myself to the limit that what we can do with AI.
Very much fun.
Exciting, innovative, and inspiring.
Great people, great projects, and I hope big value for us.
Collaboration, friendliness, and trust.
Energy, fun, experimentation.
Can I say the food?
Yes. I really love hearing the different ideas and the different perspectives that the users see from their side working with our technologies. So it's been great. Bring a lot of energy. Not everything might work, but stay at it, and I'm sure you'll come out with a great outcome.
Definitely do it. It's really fun. You meet a lot of colleagues from different group companies, also different countries.
You really need to get here, you really need to be here if you want to learn something about AI. And don't be scared if you don't feel comfortable with AI in the moment. You will learn everything you need on this hackathon.
That there's amazing technology out there, that I have very smart colleagues in the Otto Group, and that it's a lot of fun to think of new ideas.
Definitely come. It was really a lot of fun.
It's awesome.